Your birthday. Say happy birthday to Camila.
Mom, I want to go to swimming pool.
Okay, later. We'll go there. So, ito yung aming swimming pool. That's Ate Bella. Say hi, Ate Bella. Camila, is this your birthday? Wait for them. Wait for them. You can't go to the pool alone. Wait. Can you wait?
Andito kami ngayon sa The Sebs Hotel and Resort dito sa Barangay Gisgis sa Pagbilao, Quezon. First time namin dito and ang na-observe namin, ang lawak ng place. Talagang makakapag-relax ka kasi maraming puno and talagang ma-feel mo na private yung area. So naka-check-in kami ngayon sa isang family suite nila. So it's good for 8 packs pero very spacious yung area. Maganda yung bed, comfortable. Ngayon, umiikot lang kami, tinitingnan ko yung mga pool. So, yung mga anak namin nandun. Kasi yung villa namin, merong sariling pool na nakaharap. And meron din dito, mukhang mas malaki siya. Merong jacuzzi, kids jacuzzi, adult pool. I think this is the restaurant. So, later, punta kami dun sa may beach area.
Sevis
The
or
Sebs
Sebs?
or Sebs?
Sabi
The
Sebs daw eh.
Sebis.
Kasi yun nga, malawak siya tapos private. Wala masyadong tao.
Tao?
Oo, mas mahal.
Medyo pricey siya, pero I think
Tsaka bago
tama
pa.
lang.
Bago
Oo.
pa siya.
So bago lang to, ngayon lang din namin to narinig. Actually, it's a recommendation from one of my friends. So far, okay siya.
Part na yon yung dagat. Parang wala pa rin masyadong ibang activity. So marami pa siyang space. So possibly, may mga idadagdag pa sila dito. Ito, may golf po. Ayan. Pero maliit lang yan. Mini golf lang. Tapos halata mo na talagang kagagawa lang ng mga building. So ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, maaraw. Ito mga may bar.
Uy, may bar.
So mamaya tambay tayo dyan. Mamaya mag-drone tayo. Pwede rin mag-drone dito eh. Huwag lang daw pupuntahin sa mga kabilang establishment. Yung rules, beach safety. Hanggang 7 PM lang. So, may mga tambayan din dito sa beach. So, pwedeng kumain dito?
Merong consumable.
Consumable. Ano ito sa bar?
Kasama na siguro yung bar o restaurant.
Walang ring yung court? Wala pa. May court dun eh. Pero wala pa yatang ring. So about the question, kung ito ba ay family friendly or not, so far mukhang
Yes.
mukha naman.
Oo.
Literally, yung room namin na yun is family suite. So
Oo.
design talaga siya for
And
family.
tsaka yung bawat pool, meron siyang kids pool talaga. Tapos yung areas din, malawak, maraming tatakbuhan yung mga bata. Though kakarating pa lang namin, hindi pa namin naiikot lahat. So titingnan
So far
natin
yun,
later.
may parang mini golf, merong
Oo.
I think magkakaroon din ng basketball
Hindi
court.
pa namin tatry yung restaurant.
So tingnan din natin yung food kung may mga kids friendly din. Pero so far, oo.
Yung sand dito, hindi siya white, pero sobrang linis niya. Tsaka pag kinapa mo, ang lambot. So, parang buraka yung pero hindi lang siya white.
Nakakaikot kami kasi meron kaming bantay ng mga kids.
Yun yung advantage din. Much as we want na isama lahat ng family namin kasi mas nakakapag-vlog kami. Kasi grabe talaga pag may bata eh. Kailangan mo talaga silang bantayan. Lalo na pag
natin
nagsiswimming. Hindi yan na.
Camila.
Palipatin natin dun sa may jacuzzi. Ayun, yung pool doon. May jacuzzi.
Camila, don't drink the water. Your birthday today. Don't make the plushie dirty. This is pool. Are you building a castle? What's that? Are you happy? Oh, she's relaxing. She's chilling.
Case or merienda. Fries with spam, turon, and moringa juice. Try ng turon. Harap. Naharap tong moringa juice nila.
How are you, Kelly? What are you doing? Keep playing Roblox?
Gising na kayo. Mila, time for breakfast. Kelly.
Good morning, Camille.
Morning,
Day 2
Camille.
of Camille in Sebs. Are you gonna swim again? Are you gonna swim again? You have your ball. You have your donut.
Here we go.
Okay.
Kelly, do you want to swim?
How about you, Kelly? Are you gonna swim again? You're gonna go in our breakfast. Camilla's a big ball. Be careful.
Yes. Let's have her yellow.
1, 2, smile. 1,
Beautiful dress. Beautiful morning. Camilla, look at the sprinkles. What happened to the bird?
I don't know.
Where is it? Where's the bird? Is it kawawa? What do you want for breakfast, Kelly?
What do they have?
Camila is look alike of Ate, but you fight each other all the time. Oh no. Here's her food. You like it, Camilla? There's longanisa and tocino and eggs. Wow, Camilla's clapping. Camilla's clapping.
Tanghaling tapat may dalang wine. Maaga-agang wine ito. Kaya lang, hindi ako nakapag-wine ng todo kagabi. Dahil nga nagpamassage ako. Tapos nag-Netflix kami. So ngayon ko itutuloy itong natira kong wine.
Are you riding the dock? Is it not too deep? Wow. Do you have a new friend? Kelly.
Hi.
Oh, Camilla, be careful. Kelly can swim now. Be careful, Kelly. Be careful.
Camila is so brave, Dad.
She has donut. She has donut, and Kelly too has donut.
Ang tahimik ng lugar. Halos walang tao.